Sloppy work. Should have fielded that. He can't complain. But Bangladesh won't mind it. First runs on the board, and Tamim Iqbal gets off the mark with that 4. He's gone for the big one. Does it have enough to go all the way? Yes, it does. Maximum. It's 15 for none. That's gone through and before. It's a quick outfield. Tamim Iqbal in full flow. Again shot and paying the penalty. So back-to-back boundaries. Over the top, 4 more. He's starting to score very freely. More runs, it's gone fine. Will be another 4. Been a lot of boundaries in the last 4 overs. Giving the charge. No holding back.
Swept, and swept hard and well for 4. Flicked away on the onside for 4. Fine leg up in the circle in a catching position. Again gets it on the onside. This is a brilliant 50. Superb innings. It's come in quick time of just 33 balls. And it's the fastest 50 for Bangladesh against India. Here's Harbhajan. And cut through the offside. Another boundary. That's taken. Pulled. Unable to clear mid-wicket. And a breakthrough for India. And a big wicket this, because Tamim Iqbal had set the stadium on fire with a terrific display of shot making.
Iqbal gone for 60. Bangladesh 80 for 1.
Just whips it away, and that's going to be 4 runs because he's played it pretty fine. The ball drifting down the leg side, and the batsman said thank you very much. Swept that away, and it's going fine and for 4 runs.
Very good shot this by Ashraful.
That's a good shot. Pulled away. 4. Really good stuff.
Listen to the crowd. That's the 50 for Imrul Qais. His first one in one day internationals.
Yeah, and a very good one.
Oh yeah! Loose shot from Mohammad Ashraful. This is what we've been guilty of over the years. Getting off to a start and then getting out. He's gone for 29, and India have finally broken through.
Mohammad Ashraful gone for 29. Bol Jadeja. Bangladesh 148 for 2.
Saqib Al Hasan wants to direct hit. This is going to be tight. Zaid Khan, the fielder in the deep, was quick onto the ball. This is not a big ground, and a direct hit.
Really tight. Direct hits are dangerous. Can't see from that angle. Is he out? Oh. Yeah, the ball.
It's got to be out. Still waiting. And it's gone. He's a dangerous player, and what a way to get out. The last thing you want to do.
Inside out. It's gone the distance. It looked as if he hadn't quite timed it. That's a good hit. Very good hit. That came out of nowhere from Rakibul. Length. Came up in the air and taken in the deep. So the trick working for Ashish Nehra by bowling short, having 2 men in the deep. Virat Kohli is not the one to miss out on too many.
Short one to Kayas, who's gone for a well-made 70, and Bangladesh now 188 for 4.
Taken straight to Jadeja. He doesn't miss many. Yuvraj Singh not conceding the boundaries, getting in a lot of dot deliveries, created the pressure.
The ball into this game. Mushfiqur Rahim goes for 6. Bangladesh 206 for 5.
Bowled in. The finger went up, but it's obviously hit the pad and then hit the stumps as well. There was a definite sound of tonk. That's a good change. It went straight back, touched his hat, and then said, "You're out anyway." He's gone for 32. 238 for 6.
Well, he's taken that. That's gone to a boundary. This is
And that's not found. That's well played. So he's made it count this over with 2 boundaries to end it. 12. Pulls it over square leg and into the boundary. Very well executed. Extremely well executed. It was as if he was waiting for it. Swings it away on the onside. And it's gone through to the boundary. So good start to the over. Goes again. He's targeting that area. Successive boundary. This is good batting. Offside. Excellent batting this. Goes for the single. And Bangladesh will end their 50 overs on a very good score, 296 for 6. That's after Saqib Al Hasan, the captain, won the toss, decided to bat first. He will be mighty pleased with this effort.
Should be 4. The man in the deep is very, very square. You can see there is a little bit of dew. The outfield was much quicker in the afternoon. Short and wide. Gets the treatment it deserves. You don't bowl there to Virendra Sehwag. Nobody at third man. So back-to-back boundaries. And he's on his way. Misfield. The direct hit was the bat in the air. I think the bat might have been in the air. It was a misfield, and they say never run over misfield. Sehwag decides he'll not wait.
got to the ball after he misfielded and then fired the throw in. And Sehwag comes and just plonks his bat in. Decision is pending, but Sehwag has gone away and he's out. No doubt about that. He's almost in the dressing room. Gone for 13.
That's wrong. That should give Virat Kohli a lot of confidence. Just a little bit of width. 4 more. That's his area of strength for Gautam Gambhir. Square of the wicket on the offside. That. Another boundary. Very good hit. It was more of hand-eye coordination than anything else.
Ball down inside edge, back onto the stumps. Now these are 2 big wickets for Bangladesh. Both the openers dismissed. He goes for 18. Ball down, that's gone right through his defence and tickled the off stump.
He's gone for 1. India 51 for 3.
Nicely timed. This will be 4. It'll race across the outfield. Third man. Cannot stop it. He'll be disappointed there, Tamim Iqbal. Two is the call, 4 it is. That's a good half century. Comes back for the second. And he's played well. He'll know his job is not done as yet. Plenty of work still ahead. That's in the air, but it's gone all the way into the gap. One bounce over the rope.
.50 for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. It's 158 for 3.
Well, before more, too easy for Kohli now. You will get the loose deliveries when the bowlers start to feel the pressure. From the short delivery, this time put away by Virat Kohli. He's standing out simply because the loose ones are getting to the boundary in a hurry. It's gone fine and will get to the fence. Boundary coming at the right time. 11 runs in this over so far.
Yes. Out! He's got that wicket, inducing the error. He's batting with a runner, Virat Kohli, and he didn't really stretch out to the pitch of the ball. Much needed from Bangladesh's point of view. Limps off the field. Out for 91. And India now 203 for 4. That's a very good shot. He split the field off the back foot. He's got power, Dhoni. Short delivery gets the treatment. That's disappeared to the boundary in a flash. That's in the air, but in the gap as well. Just reaching out for that Raina, then finding the gap and a boundary to end the over. 235 for 4. That's a good shot in the end, very good shot. He had to reach out.
4. Don't worry about that. Dhoni enjoyed it. Another delightful shot. No fuss about that. Just opening the face of the bat. Will be a boundary to end the over. 261 for 4. Full toss, asking for trouble, and Raina gets the full face of the bat. Much required boundary in this over for Raina to ease the pressure. He's gone for the big one, mid-on inside the ring. So back-to-back boundaries to end the over. 271 for 4. Short delivery, dealt well this time. It's into the stands, it's out of here. 288 for 4. It's gone fine. It'll be 400 for the Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You can see a sigh of relief on his face. Superb innings. Raina now goes inside out. Victory for India. In the end, they win by 4 wickets with more than 2 overs to spare. Raina also picks up his 50. 51 not out for Suresh Raina, just 43 balls, 5 fours and 1 6. And this partnership worth 94 to seal the match for India.